Are you tired of the 9 to 5 grind and dreaming of financial freedom? Today, we're diving into the essential skills that you need to start an online side hustle that can change your life. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to help you get started. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please give the video a like. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get into this tutorial. Let's start with skill set number 1, digital marketing. Digital marketing is the cornerstone of any successful online business. Mastering SEO, content marketing, and social media strategies can help you attract and retain customers. For example, learning how to optimize your website for search engines will increase your visibility and drive more organic traffic. Another crucial aspect is understanding how to use paid advertising effectively. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads allow you to target specific audiences. I recommend that you start small and track your results and adjust your strategies based on the data that you get. This way you can maximize your return on investment and grow your side hustle more efficiently. Let's now move on to skill set number 2, which is copywriting. Effective copywriting can make or break your online business. Good copy grabs attention, engages your audience, and persuades them to take some kind of action. I recommend that you take the time to learn how to write compelling headlines, persuasive product descriptions, and engaging email newsletters. I recommend that you practice by rewriting existing content you find online, focusing on making it more compelling and more concise. You can also do A/B testing for different versions of your copy, which can also provide very valuable insights into what resonates the most with your target audience. Remember, the right words can significantly impact your conversion rates online. Let me now give you skill set number 3, which is time management. Balancing a side hustle with your day job requires excellent time management skills. I recommend that you use tools like Trello, Asana, or even a simple calendar to plan and prioritize your tasks. I suggest that you break your goals into manageable chunks and then allocate specific times to work on your side hustle each day. For example, I recommend that you dedicate 1 to 2 hours every evening to focus solely on your online business. Consistency is the key. By establishing a routine, you'll make steady progress without feeling overwhelmed. Remember, small, consistent efforts can lead to significant results over time. Let's now move on to skill set number 4, which is financial literacy. Understanding the basics of financial management is crucial for any online entrepreneur. I recommend that you learn how to budget, track expenses, and forecast your income. I suggest that you use tools like QuickBooks or FreshBooks, which can simplify this process and give you a clear picture of your financial health. Additionally, I also suggest that you familiarize yourself with tax obligations for your side hustle. Setting aside a portion of your earnings for taxes can prevent surprises further down the line. I also suggest that consulting with a financial advisor or an accountant can also provide very valuable guidance tailored to your specific situation. Let's now move on to skill set number 5, which is technical skills. Basic technical skills are essential for running an online business. I recommend that you learn how to create and manage a website using platforms like WordPress or Shopify. I also suggest that you familiarize yourself with basic graphic design to create appealing visuals for your brand using tools like Canva or Adobe Spark. Understanding data analytics is another very crucial aspect. Tools like Google Analytics can help you track your website's performance and gain highly valuable insights into your customer behavior. This data is invaluable for making informed decisions and improving your online marketing strategies. Let me now give you skill set number 6, which is content creation. Content creation is a vital skill for building an online presence. Whether it's writing blog posts, creating YouTube videos, or designing infographics, engaging content attracts and retains an audience. For instance, starting a blog about your niche can establish you as an authority and drive traffic to your website. I recommend that you experiment with different types of content to see what resonates the best with your target audience. I suggest that you use tools like Canva for graphic design or Adobe Premiere Pro for video editing. High quality, consistent content helps to build trust and encourages repeat visitors, which is crucial for your side hustle's online growth. Let me now give you skill set number 7, which is networking. Building a strong network can open doors to more opportunities and resources that might otherwise be currently unavailable to you. I recommend that you engage with communities on platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, or industry-specific forums. Networking can lead to collaborations, partnerships, and valuable advice from experienced professionals. I also suggest that you attend virtual conferences, online webinars, and local meetups to expand your existing network. For example, joining a Facebook group related to your niche can provide support and highly valuable insights. Remember, your network can be a very powerful tool in overcoming challenges and finding new opportunities for your growth. Let me now give you skill set number 8, which is customer service. Exceptional customer service can set your online business apart from the competition. Responding promptly and helpfully to customer inquiries builds more trust and loyalty. For instance, using a chatbot on your website can provide immediate assistance and improve user experience. I recommend implementing a customer feedback system which helps you understand and addresses pain points. I suggest that you use tools like Zendesk or HubSpot, which can streamline your customer service operations. Happy customers are more likely to become repeat buyers and refer others, which is essential for your long-term success. Let's now move on to skill set number 9, which is problem solving. Effective problem-solving skills are crucial for navigating the challenges of an online business. I recommend that you learn how to approach problems analytically and creatively. For example, if your website traffic drops, I suggest that you investigate potential causes like SEO issues or changes in market trends and develop strategies to address them. I also suggest that you practice by tackling real-world business problems and case studies. You can join forums or groups where entrepreneurs share challenges and solutions. Developing this skill ensures that you can adapt to unexpected situations and maintain your business's growth trajectory. Let's now move on to skill set number 10, which is project management. Project management skills help you plan, execute, and complete projects efficiently. I suggest that you use tools like Asana, Monday.com, or Trello, which can help assist in organising tasks, setting deadlines, and tracking your progress. For example, if you're launching a new product, project management ensures all aspects from development to marketing are fully covered. I also recommend that you learn methodologies like Agile or Scrum to improve your project management capabilities. These frameworks help in breaking down complex projects into manageable tasks and adapting to changes more quickly. Effective project management ensures that your side hustles run more smoothly and meet its objectives. Now that you know some of the skills needed to start your online side hustle, it's time to take action. Now the next thing to do, click the link in the description box below this video and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com to explore our comprehensive online courses and resources. They're perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business and will help you generate an income online. So take action and click the link below now to learn more. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I can only help you if you are subscribed. Please give the video a thumbs up because that really does motivate me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description box below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.